Hi.
Corn?
I like your hair.
Very funny.
I could just tell you have nice hair.
I don't date GIs.
Yet.
Ever.
Until.
It's not gonna happen.
You say that now.
Do you want the corn? Or not?
Yes. Yes, I do. I'll see you Monday. Can I take you to the movies?
No.
What are you doing Monday?
Washing my hair?
Go for a walk?
No.
Your eyes are beautiful.
Not a chance.
Thursday.
Washing my hair again.
Friday?
Doing the laundry.
Do you like me?
Nope.
Sunday.
Maybe.
Maybe is better than a no.